Gyda llaw, wrth ni gael golwg ar rai o'r cefnogwyr, mae tîm cefnogwyr Cymru wedi chwarae tîm cefnogwyr Luxembourg y brynhaw yma. Ac arwydd o'r hyn sydd o dybed, buddigoliaeth i gefnogwyr Cymru o 11 gol i 1. Wel, mae'n gêm a disgwyl i Gymru hennill, falle nid o gymaint a hynny. Gadwch ni gael golwg ar y ddau dîm. A chychwyn efo tîm Cymru. A'r sylw wrth gwrs ar y capten Simon Davies yn ennill i hanner canfed cap dros i'w wlad. Noson hynod bwysig iddo fo, ond yn bwysicach o bosib i'r rhif 4 Ashley Williams. Y gŵr sy'n ei daid o'r Rhondda ac yn ennill i gap cynta dros i'w wlad. Y 7fed chwaraewr ar hugen i ennill cap cynta dan reolaeth John Toshack. Da gweld Jason Cwmas yn teithio o'r diwedd. Mae o wedi colli y 6 gêm ddiwetha oddi cartre. A da iawn gweld Jermaine Easter yn chwarae yn bartner yn y llinell flaen i Freddie Eastwood. Ond noson fawr i Williams, noson fawr i Simon Davies, a dwi'n siŵr y gwelwn ni ragor o gapiau newydd heno hefyd. Y tîm cartre, tîm Luxembourg, y capten ydy Jeff Strasser, ac mae o di ennill dros hanner cant o gapiau. Mae noson fawr hefyd i'r rhif 16 Sebastian Remy, fe godrwn i wydriad i Remy, ac os mae o yn ennill i hanner canfed cap hefyd. Nhw, mewn gwirionedd, ydy'r ddau enw amlwg. Y blaenwr ydy'r rhif 13, fydd o'n chwarae i ben i hun, Joachim Fletcher. Hwna'n dacl yng nghanol y cae gan y bachgen ifanc Gerson. Eastwood. Mae o di mynd heibio i Hoffman efo un cyffyrddiad. Mae di gyrraedd eto. Mae Dlinllio i gynorthwyaf yn y diwedd y bas yn wan ac oedd hi'n gam. Mae John Toshack yn pwyso'n drwm ar ei ffon. A mae yna bethau yn pwyso'n drwm ar ei feddwl o. Mae'r bel gan Cwmas. Easter efo fo. Simon Davies yng nghanol y cae. A mae o'n dewis y bas ar Freddie Eastwood ochr bella'r cae. Ac yn sydyn mynd fwy o dempo. Ac mae wedi cael ei rhoi yng nghornel isa yr hwyd. A mae o'n dathlu ac os mae o'n gwybod, mae wedi gwneud diwrnod da o waith fan'na. Gôl unigol gampus ganddo fo. A mae wedi sgorio am y trydydd tro dros i'w wlad. Mae Cymru ar y blaen o gôl i ddim.
Ia, be sy'n bwysig i ymwysodwr ydy y ffrwydriad o gyflymdra. Dros 5 llath, mae o'n cael cyffyrddiad bach fan hyn, mae'n mynd rhwng y ddau yna, ac wedyn mae o'n ffrwydro 2-3 cam i fynd rhwngthyn nhw, ac i gael ei hun oddi wrth yr amddiffynwyr. Yma na wan, mae o'n ffrwydro allan 2-3 cam, mae'n codi i ben, tu allan i'w droed i'r postyn pella. Gol dda, gol dda.
Bas yn chwilio am Fletcher, y rhan gipiad gan Hoffman. A fyny a hi dim ond at Morgan Dai Davies yn y cymharu ni 2-1 yn gwylio'r gêm yn slippers. Wel, mae yna dipyn o mwy o fywyd yn yr ail hanner. Mae gan Simon Davies ar ddydd i hanner canfed cap. A mae Eastwood wedi gwneud un ddwy. Y capten yn dathlu hanner canfed cap efo gwaith penderfynol a'i rhoeddi ar blat i Freddie Eastwood. Ac yn sydyn, mae yna fwy fyth o wen ar bêl droed Cymru. Luxembourg dim, Cymru 2.
Wel, lle oedd cefnwr de Luxembourg much, dwi'n gwybod. Ond chwarae teg i Simon Davies, mi ddar o gadw i ben, mi gododd o'i ben i weld Eastwood yn gwneud yr hediad yna, a mi o hwnna'n gol hawdd i Freddie Eastwood. Ond chi chwarae teg i Simon Davies, oedd hi'n agos ag cam sefyll. Ond y fan hyn, wan, so di gallu colli ben, mi ddar o edrych i fyny, wel oedd o Eastwood yn dod i mewn a chwarae hi syth i'w lwydr. O gol dda, Simon Davies yn allweddol yn y gêm.
Simon, congratulations on the win. What's your opinion about the overall performance?
Well, a win's a win. You know, it wasn't the most exciting of games, you know, but they were difficult to play. They just sat back a lot and made it sort of a boring game, to be honest. But we got the 2 goals and got the win, and that's what counts at the end of the day.
How frustrated were you by the end of the first half before you scored?
Yeah, exactly. That's what we expected. That they're just going to get men behind the ball and make it difficult for us. And credit to the lads, we got the goal. It was a great goal from Freddie. And we got a bit better after that, but there's still a lot of room for improvement. But as I say, the win's the most important thing.
You've been captain now for 4 games, still unbeaten. You're quite good at this job, aren't you?
Yeah, it's going right so far. Long may it continue.
And to celebrate your 50th cap, may I present you with this little nightcap for tonight.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy yourself and
Thank
congratulations again.
Cheers.
Thanks, Simon.
Thanks a lot.
They're all good people again to play against. They work very, very hard. You know, I mean, technically, obviously, they're not the best, but they work very, very hard, close you down. And you know, I think some of our players, when you look around here and you see what's going on, I mean, unless you're up for it, you can get yourself into a little bit of trouble. But I mean, we got the goals. I don't think we were under any real trouble throughout the game. I think we're more pleased with the under-21s winning earlier today, to be honest with you. We were on the clock there, 1 down after 87 minutes, and they've got 2 in the last 2 minutes to win the game. But there we are, 2-1 in Sarajevo and 2-0 in Luxembourg. So we'll be a happy bunch on the plane tomorrow.
Owain, llongyfarchiadau ar y canlyniad, ond wyrach yr un mor bwysig, llongyfarchiadau mawr i ti ar dy gap cynta un. Mae'n siŵr bod chdi wrth dy fodd.
Yn amlwg dwi'n bles ofnadwy, yn falch iawn. Yn amlwg ar ôl gymaint amser allan efo anafiadau. Teimlo eich bod angen gwella pa mor siarp dwi ar y cae a bethau. Ond mae hynny'n mynd i ddod efo munudau rhwng rwan a diwedd y tymor i Abertawe, ond y falch o gael y cap cyntaf allan o'r ffordd.
Freddie, good to be back amongst the goals?
Yeah, definitely. I'm delighted. Obviously, we've got a start here tonight and come up with the goods, scored a couple of goals. Delighted for me, to be fair.
Were you surprised by how difficult it was to break down the Luxembourg defence?
It was early doors, but I think once we got the first goal, to be fair, we looked very comfortable. We had a lot of possession all night and we're delighted with the way we performed tonight.
What did you learn about tonight's performance?
I think coming away from home again, we've got another good result, another win. We've played well away from home and hopefully we can take that on.
Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Cheers.